videos out of all these?
That's awesome.
Like you can hear it off almost every building.
What are your feelings about today and what is this for?
This is, as far as I know, March in solidarity with the students in Montreal, I think. And what does this mean to me? This means a whole lot. It means free schooling for everyone. Education shouldn't be like for the rich only. Success shouldn't be offered to only those who have like rich parents. I think that an unfair system, and I think that everyone should be given an equal chance.
Very good. Why are you here?
We're doing a casseroles demo in support of the Quebec student protests that are going on. Just to show some solidarity with them, that people not in Quebec know about it and are in support of them as well.
Right on. And what are your feelings of today? Like, how do you feel so far?
Pretty good. We didn't get a big turnout, but I think it's mostly due to the warm weather today. But yeah, not so bad so far.
Yeah. And what's the response from the people on the street, would you say?
Some people don't seem to know what's going on, but that's, I guess, the normal in Ontario. And the people that do know what's going on are in support